Sophie, Jared, Georgia.
They're all here. They're just here in a different.
Okay. And Josh?
Yeah. Yes. But no. I think that's
playing COD in the choir.
No, he's playing.
He's playing Discord in the choir.
All right. Well, we can get going, guys. How was 6-6? Great. Meh. All right. So the first one gave us our diagram, and it wanted us to, I think, draw an equation and solve it, right? So what would our equation look like here, Kellen?
We wanted an equation on that one.
I just wanted to solve, but if we were drawing an equation, Kinley?
Okay, it would be 3, and then next to it in parentheses, x minus 15, and then parentheses around that equals 90.
Equals 90 is what our equation would look like. All right. Now we can either solve this and say all these boxes need to equal 30 to add up and get 90, or we can solve it mathematically here. What do we get when we solve for x? Brooklyn? X equals 45. Markers in each box would be what x was there. If we wanted to solve this way, we would divide both sides by 3. X minus 15 equals 30. And then we'd have to add 15 to get rid of our negative 15 there. So x would equal 45. All right, same thing on 2. So explain where you can see the 6 in the diagram here. So we're just looking for where does this 6 show up in the diagram, Chesney?
There's 6 boxes that have x in it.
There's 6 boxes that each have an equal part x there. So that's where our 6 comes into that diagram. 6 x's to show 6x in the problem. All right. 3, it says Elena walked 20 minutes more than Lynn. Jada walked twice as long as Elena. Jada walked for 90 minutes. The equation 2 times x plus 20 equals 90. Describe this situation and then match each amount in the story with the expression that represents it. All right. So what would x represent? We're starting with x. Which of these? Brooks?
The number of minutes that Lynn walked.
So number 3 there, the number of minutes that Lynn walked is what x would represent. How about x plus 20, Kellen? 2. Number of minutes that Elena walked. How about the 2 times x plus 20, Colin? 1. The number of minutes that Jada walked. And then what about 90? Kaylee?
1.
Also 1 there. See how both sides of this equation would equal 90 to make it true. So that's why 2 times x plus 20 and both 90 would both be number 1 there. That's both the minutes, number of minutes that Jada walked. All right, 4 is a lot of what we spent time doing yesterday in class. We got a story on each of these, and then it wanted us to match an equation that represented that story. So for A, which equation, Corbin, best match the story with A? 4. We have 5x plus 3 equals 17. 5 copies of a textbook, and the weight of the bag was 17. And there was 3, or the empty travel bag weighed 3 pounds, so we'd add 3 onto there. All right, B, which equation matched with B? Kinley?
1.
Number 1 did. Same reason, we have a 5-foot long rectangle, and you wanted to increase the length with 3 identical rectangles that total length of 17. So we match up here. How about C? Brenna? Right. What do we all get on that one? Anybody else get 4? Got 4. I got 3 on that one. All right. So if she spends $17 and buys 3 books and a bookmark for each of her 5 cousins, how much does each bookmark cost? So we're looking for the bookmark. So she bought the $3 book and then a bookmark for each of her 5 cousins. So that would be 5 there. And then the book would be adding 3 onto that. All right, how about D? Jonas. I got 3 on that one too. We all okay there? And E, Evan.
I got
2 is what I got on that one there. We okay with those? All right. The 6-6 warm up is up if you guys want to do that.